YouTube just announced 20 life-changing features for you and I as creators. These features are mind-blowing, but out of the 20 of them, there are 4 you must take advantage of right now. The 4 of them are designed to make content creation easier for you. In fact, the first one I'm about to share with you will blow your mind, because if you're a creator, this particular feature is going to help you not just make better videos, but make videos really fast. The second feature is monetization feature. Guys, YouTube just introduced this new feature that allows you and I to make more money from our videos. Whether your channel is monetized or not, this is for you. After listening to this, I was like, yay, it's about to go down for us as creators. The third feature is designed to help you get more subscribers, more views, and more watch hours as a creator. Looking at this, I was like, I think this one tops the list. In fact, I'm having hard time picking the one that is best. If you're a small creator, this third feature is going to give you exposure in a way you would never believe it. And the fourth one is just that one secret that gives you every insight when it comes to growing your YouTube channel, because it takes you to the back end of your channel and helps you understand everything that's going on your channel, and even point you towards the direction you should go to grow your channel really fast and make more money. This one has to do with understanding the studio, the analytics, and everything. So let's get into it. The first feature is AI Edit. This particular feature is going to help you edit your videos. Guys, this is mind-blowing. As a creator, you know how many hours you spend a day editing a video. Or maybe you don't edit your videos yourself. You know how much you spend paying editors to edit your videos. That's exactly what this feature is going to do for you. So YouTube says this feature is going to pick a raw file from your phone and then goes on to arrange this file, edit it, and give you a perfect video. It doesn't just stop at that. It goes on to add background music and a lot of other exciting features to this video to make it perfect. Listen to what YouTube has to say about this.
Edit with AI lets you transform your raw footage into a first draft by arranging the best moments from your footage into a coherent story with music, effects, and voiceover in English and Hindi.
Now, did you hear that? It picks the raw file from your video. It doesn't just jumble them together. It arranges it in a way it ought to be, so it will be perfectly arranged. Then it goes on to edit the video. It goes on to add music, and then other features that will make this video perfect. Did you see that? And then at the end of the day, it's going to hand over to you this video. Then you pick it, go on to upload it. If you want to edit it further, you can also go on to edit it further, adding more features to it just to make it perfect.
Edit with AI will be available in the YouTube Create app and on Shorts in the coming weeks in some areas.
This is mind-blowing. But let's get into the second one, because this one is more exciting than this editing feature. So this second feature is monetization feature. Look at this, guys. It says new ways to earn on YouTube. So we are adding updates to brand deals and shoppings to make brand collaboration easier than ever. YouTube is bringing this new feature that makes it super easy for you and I as creators to connect with brands, which leads to more brand deals and more money. This feature is already there at the back end of your channel, but you have to go on to activate it. As a creator, you need to go to the back end of your channel and activate it if you want to take advantage of it. So what this feature does is to make it super easy for you as a creator to connect with brands who are most likely to work with you. So it's easy for you to close brand deals. No longer will you have to go through the stress of looking for brands to work for. It's more like a marketplace where brands come and then creators come together and then things are happening. I mean, more money for you and I. Now, let me show you exactly how to activate this. You need to head over to the back end of your channel. Click on settings. It's going to bring you to this place. Click on channel. Then you head over to advanced settings. Scroll down to this place. You see where it says channel insights sharing. So allow advertisers, brands, and third-party platforms to view channel insights for earning opportunities. It goes on to say, sharing information about your channel with advertisers, brands, and third-party platforms may improve your earning opportunities through features like ads, brand deals, and shoppings. So to be eligible for this, all you need is to go on and check this box here. Once you check it, it simply means that you've granted advertisers and third-party access to see a couple of information about your channel, your video performance. So with this information, they go on to offer you brand deals. And with this, you are going to make more money. This feature is amazing because it lifts this burden of going to look for brands to work for off your shoulder. YouTube is doing that matching for you and I. So if you want to make more money through brand deals and all these features listed here, you need to go on and check this box. As soon as you're done, go on and click on save. This is a no-brainer. You need to go on and activate it immediately. So let's move on to the third amazing feature YouTube just announced a few hours ago. This particular one is going to help you grow your YouTube channel really fast because it's going to give you exposure. It is called collaboration. YouTube is introducing an opportunity for you to collaborate with other creators, gaining exposure, which will lead to more views, more subscribers, more watch hours. Now, listen to what YouTube has to say about this.
Some of the best moments on YouTube happen when creators come together. We're excited to launch collaborations, a new feature in YouTube Studio to help you showcase collabs and grow your channels together. You can add up to 5 collaborators to a single video, and the video may be shown to all of your audiences, increasing discoverability for everyone involved.
I think this feature is one of the most amazing features, especially for small creators, because this is exposing you to other creators' audience, and it's a win-win game because when you collaborate with up to 5 creators, this other creators' audience will get to see your video and connect with you. If you're a small creator, you need to be ready for this because you're about to start getting more views and subscribers using this amazing feature.
This feature will be available for all creators globally in the coming weeks.
And this brings us to the fourth amazing feature. The fourth amazing feature YouTube just announced is Ask Studio. So this is a new AI feature that allows you to understand the back end of your channel, the community, the tabs, and even helps you in making better videos. This one is a game changer because it's going to take you beyond the trends and analytics, getting you to understand actually what works and what doesn't work, what you should do and what you shouldn't do to get more views or even create the kind of videos your audience enjoy. Listen to what YouTube has to say about this.
We're launching Ask Studio, a new conversational AI partner in YouTube Studio to help you get insights on your community, understand analytics, and find new inspiration.
So that is it. These are 4 outstanding features out of the 20 of them YouTube just announced that every small creator needs to jump on. Some of them already in existence, some of them will be rolled out in a few weeks in certain locations.
Ask Studio will be available to creators in the US in the coming weeks.
So as soon as it's made available globally, I am also going to keep you updated on that. For now, go on and activate those ones that are available right now because they are definitely going to help you in terms of growing your YouTube channel and even making more money from your videos. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comment section which of these features are you going to activate immediately. Which of them are you most excited about? For me, it is the monetization feature because it's going to allow you to make more money as a creator. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next one.